Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change the text, border, and background of a text box or data field within the Layout Designer window. To do this, you can double-click on the text box or data field that you want to format to open the Properties dialog box. Alternately, you can select a text box or data field and then click the Properties button within the toolbar at the top of the Layout Designer window to also open the Properties dialog box. Within the Properties dialog box, you can set the appearance of the text box or data field by changing the settings shown within the Text, Border, and Background tabs. For text boxes and labels, you can first enter the text to display into the text box field that appears at the top of the Properties dialog box. For data fields, the data field name will simply be shown in this area instead. To then set the appearance of the font used to display the text within the object, click the Text tab. In the Justification Center, you can select either left, right, or center for the horizontal section, and top, bottom, or center for the vertical section to set the horizontal and vertical text alignment. Note that if you want to indent the first line of text within a text box, then click the Indent First Line of Text checkbox within the horizontal section. To select the font used to display the text within the object, click the Font button to open the example dialog box. Here you can change the font style, size, effects, and color of the text within the object by making your choices from the fields shown within this dialog box. Now, when you have finished setting your font attributes, click the OK button to apply them and return to the Properties dialog box. You can change the font color for the object within the Text tab by clicking the Color button shown to open the Change Color dialog box. Here you can select any color that you want for the font, and then click the OK button to return to the Properties dialog box. To change the border of the selected object, click the Border tab within the Properties dialog box. Then choose the sides of the object to apply a border to by checking the top, bottom, left, and right checkboxes as desired. If you apply a border to the object, you can select the increment used to round the corners of the border by making a selection from the Rounded Corners section. You can select the desired border pattern to use from the Pattern section, as well as select a desired border thickness from the Thickness section. You can click the Color button to open the Change Color dialog box, and here you can select a color for your border and then click the OK button to return to the Properties dialog box. To set a background color for the object, click the Background tab within the Properties dialog box. Then check the Fill Background checkbox. After checking this checkbox, then click the Color button shown to open the Change Color dialog box. Here you can select any color that you want for the background of the object, and then click the OK button to return to the Properties dialog box. Now, after you have finished applying any formatting settings that you want this object to have, click the OK button within the Properties dialog box to apply your changes to the selected text box or label.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.